Welcome back, YouTube. What I'm doing is prepping the condenser unit. It was brazed at one time, so there's a little cleaning, and there's a little bit of the remnants, from the brazing that went on last time. I just got to grind that off, and we got to make this as clean as possible because we are gonna. We are going to soft solder this, and of course this shit's in the way, of course. Let's turn the camera here a little bit. Yeah. Okay. You can see what I'm doing here, but this thing out of the way. Goddamn, sitting in the way here. I don't know if it's blocking the camera or not. Alright, sort of out of the way. Let's see. Whole idea here is to get these fittings as clean as we can. There. Better picture. Got some stuff here. Pretty clean. This here is a Dremel sanding drum. I think it was a fine. It had been used a couple times before, so I'm not sure. But it's pretty clean in here right now. I need a mirror to see what it looks like up on top here, but it's clean enough for solder, I'm pretty sure. I'm gonna get a mirror and check it out. Okay, I'm pretty happy with the way it is. Just gonna finish up with the polishing wheel here. Pretty good. Okay. So, let's see. I'm gonna flux it up a little bit now. Very sparingly on the flux. Just enough to spread out. That's it. No more. Same thing on the pipe. Okay. And you don't need to do the inside walls of the fittings. Stick this guy in here. And now I gotta move the cabinet back again. Get this guy here. Oops. Oop. And I have to hold this, some bricks or something here to hold it in because it's got some spring load on it. As you can see, bend the pipe over a little bit. It's still going to spring back on me. Something like this. And you probably can't see what the hell's going on anymore, but alright. One thing I forgot is wet rags, so I gotta be back. Okay, I got some wet rags on there now. I don't know if I can get this camera in any better position for you to see what's going on here. Pretty much blocked off by. Alright, let's see if we can get it this way. Yeah, you might be able to see it that way. Alright, we'll do one at a time here. That's some MAP gas. Probably could get away without MAP gas, but remember, this is Pt.8, and it was Stay Clean flux. Right here. See what we got going on here. I always like to heat up the fittings first because you got to transfer the heat through the fitting. Yeah.